Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's out and about, and I just got my last order from the cubicle.com. I had 3 orders. They all came in at the same time, and those orders I did in 2026. So I know my New Year's resolution is I would spend less money in 2025. 2026 is I'm spending less money. These orders came in, I ordered in 2025. And they all came at the same time because, it was Christmas time. So they had, everybody had off that, those 4 or 5 days or whatever. So I guess they shipped it that Monday and it's here today. Alright. I got standard lube on this one. Because I always put a little sticker on the actual product. And they gave you this little sticker right here. Cubicle Pro Shop Standard Lube Service. And I ordered it with a Cube Head savings discount code. So they always give you a little Cube Head little sticker. Alright. It has a number on here, so I'm guessing that's the number of the... I got the 8,685th one that was made. This box is kind of like a lot of the other boxes where it has the cube and then it has a little, but it doesn't waste really any space. So that's good. They'll give you a large, elaborate box. It's a nice box, but it's not elaborate. A very small bag with the 3 dolphins on it. Now I don't know how to pronounce that. High-tune cube. And high-tune means dolphin, I guess. I'll show you. It does come with a nice cloth. And a lot of people like to make fun of these cloths, but people say, what is this for? Well, it's to clean your cube, you dumbass. I don't know. I guess they try to be controversial. It's supposed to shine your cube. Oh, there you go. It's supposed to shine your cube up. Now, if you have a lot of lube and you get some lubes on this, then you might want to use something else. And this is just to polish it, not to take the lube off of it. The Dolphin Cube adjustment guide. So it comes with that. That's always nice. And the Dolphin Cube, how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Yeah, so it has a nice comprehensive. I'm not going to open it up. I like the logo on it. I like their logo. I really do. This one I know it has dolphins, 3 dolphins, and it has a cube in the middle. So this is a dolphin cube. I kind of like it. But I kind of don't like it at the same time. And this one is the flagship. So I got the most expensive one, but it doesn't have UV on it. That's fine. I kind of like it. It's not locking up, that's good. I saw a few videos where this is a little confusing. Let me try to get as close as I can so you guys get a good picture of it. It's a little confusing, but I don't need to adjust it right now. Tension instructions, which is always nice, guys, if you do it. So I appreciate it. Yeah, here you go. The magnets are only on the edges, not the corners. Only on the edges, but not the corners. Okay? So keep that in mind. I like it. Oh yeah, that's a little too loose. But that's how the internals look. Those split. Red and blue. And ball core, if that is what I'm looking at, is all white. So you can tell they lubed there because I can see it. The Dolphin WaveRider V1 Flagship. So that's what I got. So I like it. Nice. See what else I got. Did I get this? Yeah, I got the lube service on this one too. This is my Gan Megaminx UV. Alright, here we go. Look how the box opens up. That's pretty interesting. So it's not really a box, just packaging. You're not really going to keep this. Accessory bag. Gong, 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 gong. That fits in there? There you go. It fits. So you can protect it and carry it at the same time. I have a small metal tool right here. But it does come in this nice little protective case. Now, the reason why I got this one, ooh, look how nice that is. I don't know how to solve Megaminx. I mean, I have, but I haven't done it yet. Ooh, it's fast though. I don't want to mix it up yet because I'm going to look at it. I'm just trying to get the lube to go. I wanted the one with the black on it, but I forgot to click on it. There's two versions, one like this, and there's one with you can click on black. Yeah, the Gan Megaminx UV. This was $66.99. I got the Moyu, I think this is the Moyu one. And it's not UV, which I like. And I thought I might, I didn't like the look of it with all the grooves. But I got it. I kind of like it, but I wanted one with UV on it and flat. See that? That's what I like. I can see this slipping out my hand though. This would never slip out my hand. There's too many grooves. So it's good for grip. This was definitely good for grip. Shine it up a little bit. It's already shiny, but I had other people touching it, you know, putting the lube on it or inside it. There you go. So yeah, I definitely get this high marks until I start solving it, and then we'll see. But it turns really nice, really nice. So is it the same size? Looks like it's a little smaller. Definitely want to protect this one. Put it right back in its case and secure it. That one, like I said, was $66.99. Right now, I think it was a good buy. Of course, is it really worth $66.99? I don't know. I don't know how. You have to get engineers. You gotta get workers to put it together and test it. So I'm not sure what all that money, how that money goes into to this price point. So this one does have a black side, and that's two versions to it. So I got the regular version, and there is a black side. Wish I would have got the black side, but I forgot to hit that button. Oh, you know what I could have done? I could have emailed them right away and said, hey, I wanted the black side. So give me the black side if you don't mind. So they probably would have done it. They said it did come with a card. Cubicle cord. Alright, that one's empty. I'm going to try to go through this quickly. It's going to be a long video. I don't want it to be too long. I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, the Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.